going for a morning walk with Pam. Last few days in the neighborhood. I don't know if I could have a dog. I almost just threw up seeing Pam's poo. Yikes. We're just going for a walk and then I'm gonna go home, drink some coffee, finish packing hopefully. More packing, so much packing to do. The air is super crisp today. I'm cold. We're back home. I'm not sure what she wants from me now. But I know what we want. That coffee, why is it flashing like that? Okay guys, so I just want to make a video today and hang out with you. I'm like so excited to make videos, but also I'm more excited to edit them because I just got the Premiere Pro. What? No. I got Final Cut Pro and I got the trial. So I'm testing it out. So I'm trying to like make use of this 30 days and get as much done as I can, like learning wise. So I just want to film a bunch of stuff and like I might be trying some weird ass shit transition wise and you know, effects. Bear with me. Today's not a typical day. I don't usually film when I have to go to work because I don't usually do anything. Like I said in my last video, I don't usually go for a walk in the morning with Vic and Pam. But he asked me to, so I just said, okay, whatever. And then in the middle of our walk, he goes, I watched your video. I'm like, oh, like, thanks. And he's like, so you don't do anything. That's why I'm taking you and Pam for a walk. I was like, but like, thank you. 3 more days. Oh my God. That's okay. That's okay. It's gonna be fine. Wow. Do I dare show you the mess of this house? I'm pretty sure I showed you guys like an empty house tour and then I was gonna show you what this place was like after we got like more settled and stuff. But I never did because I actually don't like that place as much. Like I do. I do. I like this place, but this isn't my dream setup at all. It's kind of messy. I mean, it's very messy at the moment, but like how we had it set up and everything, like, yeah, let me show you the mess that it is right now. So my messy bed, sorry, my messy bed takes up like the whole space in here. And then I just have, there's some clothes I need to organize in there, what I need to take and not. And then me and Sean ended up buying this dresser because there's no closet space. This is our closet. Very small. We already kind of organized everything in here. We're taking all these. But I need a new suitcase because I don't have enough space in my small one. Some stuff I'm going to give to my mom. I just left it there for now. More stuff I need to pack. Drying clothes. I still need to organize some of the boxes down there. Stuff I'm still using and packed away. Yeah. My messy desk, sorry. My makeup. A lot of it's packed already, but I do have that. Some random stuff. I need to organize this. Probably gonna dump all of this, which is really sad. Sean's favorite little figurine thing. I don't know what you call those. Sorry. Pop it. Well, I don't know. And then there's this bookshelf. I actually did a lot of it already, even though it looks full still. This thing was packed with books. And like more products. This is pretty much empty, but like this stuff I think I'm gonna take. It's just like miscellaneous random stuff. There's these 2 organizer things I need to just kind of, decide what I'm taking and what I'm not taking. And then, oh my God, I don't know if you're ready for this. This mess of shit. Pam hears me. Here she comes. Hi, girl. She always comes up to me. She has to have something in her mouth. She has to take someone's shoe, someone's slipper. She loves slippers. You love slippers, I know. Now she's gonna try and take mine. Leave it. Good girl. Yeah, so this is one of my suitcases and it's full. It's so heavy. This is my other one. It's too small though, but I might fill it up. Maybe I'll just fill it up today. This one, oh my god, look at the boxes. So, hey! Oh my god, Pam! Do you want to say hi, Pam? Pam. Hi, say hi. Hi. Sniff, sniff. Oh, I'm gonna miss Pam so much. Pam, I'm gonna miss you so much. She's my therapy dog. She looks a little crazy right now, though. Watch this. Who's there? Oh, she didn't do it. Didn't trick you that time. Oh, Pam. This is just gonna be a video about Pam now. Just kidding, I'll go back. Got this toque from Helloooo for my birthday. Wow, it looks really bad right now. But John just texted me. He said, come over for a nice latte and your gift. And I'm like, oh, I could use a latte right about now. I could also go for a gift. So, I'm gonna stop my packing. Man, I was really getting into it. Anyways, I was just organizing what I want to keep. Like socks, underwear, everything. And I'm gonna just stop that for now. I'm gonna get ready and then go to John's. See what he has for me. I'm so tired. Why am I always so tired? Got some bad news. I forgot it's Friday, which means I opened the restaurant today, so I actually have to go to work. And I'm not gonna hang out with John and Millie, which I'm really sad about. And now Pam's crying. Cause, oh, what? You're gonna see her. I'm not gonna see her. It's okay. They're coming. Pam and Millie love each other like so much. Pam loves her so much. She gets so excited. She has to go see her. She knows. I think she knows. He just had to park on the other side of the road during rush hour. First miss. Oh, there's Millie. Oh my god, there's Millie. Hi, Millie. No. They get so excited. Oh, she just wants to say hi. Hello. Hi, Millie. Hi, Millie. She doesn't say hi to me. She wants to say hi to Pam. Hi, John. How's it going?
What's up?
Oh.
I'm on my last call and it's a little bit, so we have your thing. Sit.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of here before I get caught in the crossfire. She's tired. That's what John got me. Look! It's like a little passport case slash wallet. And I guess there's like this app for this. If I ever lose it, I can find it. Wow. Okay guys, I'm ready for work. I'm really sad that this video took a hard left turn and I have to go to work earlier than I thought now. So I guess I'll talk to you when I get back. Yeah. Oh my fucking god, what was that? I can't. Okay, see you in a bit.